Welcome to my YouTube channel, User Friendly Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to convert PDF files to Word files completely for free, no password logging or anything else. You don't need to add your user account. It's completely free. Okay, to do that, open your web browser of your choice and head on to this address. I will leave the link in the description. It's called PDF24 Tools. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of options. This is a great online tool, but we will focus on this one, PDF Converter. So we will convert this file here, resume.pdf. It's got some pictures, some text on the left, some headings, text on the right, the usual stuff. Okay, let's convert it to Word. Okay, head on to PDF24 Tools and click on PDF Converter. Now it will ask you, do you want to convert to PDF or do you want to convert PDF to something else? We want to convert it to the Word document, so we will choose this option here. So click this. Next, hit this button where it says Choose Files. Then head on over to where your file is located. In my case, it's on desktop, resume.pdf. Select it and click Open. Okay, now we have it open. Now this is very important. Here on the left side you can see Format. Click the drop down menu and click Word. Now it will open the other menu that says Mode. Now you have a couple of options here: text only, blocks, and flow. Text only will extract only the text without formatting. Blocks and flow are pretty similar. It will try to retain the document structure as it is. I will show you all three of these. So let's first click blocks. So we have Format Word and Mode Blocks. Then over here click this button, Convert. Let's give it a second. Okay, the file is ready, resume.docx, so we see now it's in Word format, and click Download. And here it is, it's downloading. Let's wait for a bit. Okay, and click Open File. Let's click Enable Editing. Okay, as you can see, it's done a pretty good job. The photo is slightly off center, but everything else, it's editable and it's right where it's supposed to be. Now you can edit, you can delete, you can write something else, you can edit the text, delete, copy, paste, just like this, the full regular Word file. Okay, so that's the first option. Let's close this. Don't save. Let's go back to the browser, and we don't have to upload the file again. It's uploaded. Now we can just select from this the drop down menu text only. So the format is Word, and we choose from this one, from this drop down, text only, and click over here Convert. Let's give it a second. Okay, download. The file is ready. Let's click Open. Okay, click Enable Editing. Now you see here it extracted the text without any formatting. let's compare. Okay, here it is. It says name here, job title here, name here, job title here, profile, that's over here. This is the text over here. So as you can see, it extracted the text without any formatting. So that's convenient if you want to copy and paste the text from the PDF file. Okay, let's go to the third option and final option. Let's go back to the browser and click Format is still Word and click Mode Flow. And over here, click Convert again. And let's click Download. Let's click Open File. Let's click Enable Editing. Okay, so as you can see, the first option and this third option are pretty similar. So it retained the formatting and the picture is slightly off center, but everything else is very similar to the original PDF. You can edit the text, delete, write something else, copy paste. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace.